Good evening. Welcome to Muhlenberg County High School. My name is Mr. Richardson, and this will be my second year teaching integrated chemistry and physics here. So I recorded this video because tomorrow morning I'm going to be having a dental procedure, and just in case I'm not able to speak, I recorded this video just so I could greet everybody today who's coming to see the classroom. So what I have for you guys, you'll see on the whiteboard over here, you guys will find the remind codes for my class and the Google Classroom codes for your child to log in and do instruction, at home and on snow days when we have to be virtual. There might be some information here on the tables for you guys to take and fill out and return, and that's pretty much it. So as you guys already know by now, this year we're going to be split into two sections. So the full course is going to go from August to December, and then in the second semester, students will be taking the full course again from January to May. There's going to be a lot of information, but in the 90 minutes that we have in class every period, we should get to everything and we should be able to get all our work turned in. So fingers crossed, and going to work toward the goal of making that happen. About myself, I'm originally from the Caribbean, a small island called St. Martin. I came to the U.S. in '91. I've lived in Florida ever since. And I found myself in Kentucky last year. My girlfriend and I, we had our first baby, and we decided to move up here to Kentucky to have the baby grow up near, family and cousins and things like that. So, yeah, that's pretty much my short story in a nutshell. So I'll see everybody Monday, the 23rd.